Hello and welcome. So first of all, what I am doing, I am going to create Windows instance. So again, same process. I am on my EC2 dashboard. Let me click on launch instance. Here I am giving name learning snapshot. Here I am going to create Windows machine 2019. T2 micro, going to use our same key pair CloudFox key. Here I am going to create this into AP South 1A, and here we have 30 dB volume. Now this time I am going to add new volume from here only. Let me add 15 GB volume, right? It is a EBS volume. If you want to encrypt this, you can do this as well. Okay, so now it is done. In order to encrypt this, you can go to advanced option and you can select these two options, right? The one is encryption if you want to encrypt this, and deletion on termination, no. So if I will delete this instance, this volume will remain over there. For default root volume, it is always yes, but if you are adding new volume, it is always no, right? So now I have a 15 GB volume, EBS volume, and let me launch instance. So now our instance will be ready within 5 minutes, and once our instance will be ready, we will log into instance, then we will create volume, and then we will store data inside the volume. Now, in order to protect this data, we are always using backup option. Here we have snapshot for our backup. When we are going to use snapshot, there are many use cases of the snapshot. It is backup. Second thing, if you want to copy your volume from one region to another, you can also using this. Then if you forget to encrypt your volume, you can also use this. If you want to copy volumes across the availability zone, you can also do this, right? Here we are actually discussing about first use case, and the primary use case of snapshot, we call it backup of our EBS volume. So now my instance is getting ready. Let me use connect option, RDP, download remote desktop file, connect. Now it is asking me for password, get password. Yeah, it will take 4 minutes. Okay, so I got my key pair option over here and decrypt the password. So I'm going to copy this and paste this. So now I will get console of my Windows instance, and we have 15 GB volume. First of all, we need to format this. In order to format this volume, process remains same. We have to open disk management utility. So yeah, let me open disk management utility. Okay, so here I am going to run menu and going to type disk mgmt dot msc. It will open disk management utility, and here I got my 15 GB drive. Right click online, right click initialize the disk, okay, and right click simple volume, next, finish. So I got my 15 GB volume. Now what I am doing, I am going to store some sample data. So I am going to open this volume. Here I am going to create some files. So new file and rich text document, doc1, writing something. This is testing of backup, right? Going to save file and done. Going to create multiple file. Okay, just renaming this. Doc3, Doc4. Even if you have one file, it doesn't make any changes, but just creating this, right? So now done. I have 4 document files over here in this particular 15 GB volume. Now I am worried about my data and I want to take a backup of this. How? First of all, I am going to minimize this and going to this particular volume. So when you go to this, here we have volumes and here we have this 15 GB volume. You can select this volume, go to action, and here we have create snapshot. This is the first option you have. Otherwise, you can go to snapshot, you can click on create snapshot, then you can select volume, but this would be difficult. You have to provide proper name to your volume and then it would be easy for you to select, and then you can click on create snapshot. So let's do this. First of all, let me go to snapshot, or let me go to volume. Here I am going to give name my data wall of account instance, right? I can give any name. Okay, let me click on save. I just provided name. Now I am going to the snapshots, click on create snapshots, and now see I have clear name, so it would be easy for me to choose, right? Here I am going to say learning snapshot. Here encryption not encrypted because my volume was not encrypted. Okay, let me click on create snapshot. So it is a one kind of backup. AWS storing this particular snapshot on your Amazon S3. So whatever the size that you have for your snapshot will be like you have to pay for AWS S3 pricing. Now status is pending. It will take some time. Okay, so wait. Okay, I got my status completed. So what I can say that my backup is done. Now I want to test this. So